What impossible challenges did heritage railway engineers overcome? Imagine trying to keep a piece of history running smoothly when it was built over 100 years ago. Heritage railway engineers faced some truly tough problems to keep these old trains and tracks alive. Restoring and maintaining aging infrastructure was a big task. Tracks, bridges, and tunnels built in the 19th and early 20th centuries often needed complete repairs. Engineers had to find ways to fix cracked rails and worn-out structures using materials that matched the original designs but met modern safety rules. Restoring steam locomotives was especially tricky. They needed welding and replacing fragile parts like leaf springs, which required special skills and tools. Balancing historical accuracy with safety was a constant challenge. Many heritage railways run through tough landscapes. Some go over steep mountains or through deep gorges. Building and keeping tracks in such places was once considered almost impossible. Engineers used narrow-gauge tracks to make tighter turns and built small tunnels to pass through rocky areas. Managing steep grades meant designing engines and tracks that could handle the elevation changes without slipping or breaking down. These engineering feats were so impressive that they still inspire today's preservation efforts. Safety standards have changed a lot since the days when these railways first opened. Modern regulations requiring better brakes, stronger crash protection, and safer passenger cars. But fitting these upgrades into vintage trains without losing their charm is a real puzzle. Engineers develop custom safety systems that improve protection but keep the vintage look and feel. Sometimes they have to create new parts from scratch because old manufacturing methods no longer exist. This careful work keeps the trains safe while preserving their historic appeal. Some of the most difficult challenges involved recreating obsolete technologies. Certain parts like white metal bearings or specific steam engine components are no longer made. Engineers often have to craft these parts by hand or refurbish old ones. This process demands highly skilled craftsmanship and knowledge that has become rare. It's like solving a complex puzzle with pieces that are hard to find or make. Logistics also play a big role. Securing funding, sourcing authentic materials, and finding skilled workers can be tough. Many heritage railways relying on volunteers and community support to keep everything running. Restoring entire lines, stations, and rolling stock takes careful planning and lots of teamwork. These efforts allow travelers to enjoy authentic historic journeys through scenic areas, connecting them with the golden age of rail travel. Thanks to these engineers' hard work, passengers can experience a slice of history while riding on beautifully restored vintage trains. Their problem-solving skills and dedication have made it possible to keep these incredible railways alive for future generations to enjoy.